Bell, Well and Bell both wanted to ski and
Ski. Do you know ski? Do you want to ski in the winter? You say ski. Ski on the snow. Ski. Okay. Will and Bill both wanted to
ski, but which trail they didn't not agree. Bell thought, well, should review the map.
yet.
Will told Bell that there are the
Snap. I think probably you mean that's easy or the same. Okay.
before they knew it, they were frozen.
From.
This
means what? Fly? No. What's that?
Ache.
To have an away that is
Constant.
but not
severe.
After running the
Marathon.
his body ached for a week.
Ache.
Okay.
All week.
Fly.
Flown.
Okay.
Failed to exist. Okay.
Flown.
Okay. The fly. The past participle. Okay. Why they use the word from? Okay. Before they knew it, the word flown.
On the lift to the expert
zone. Okay, there are many different zones in ski. Some areas for the starter, okay, they just learned. Some area are very difficult. It's for the expert. So those people are really good at the ski can go to the zone.
Go to the zoo.
The zone. So expert zone. So they went to the expert zone. Okay. Skier. The person who is skiing. Okay, it's a skier.
What's this? This person.
Okay.
It's that ones that skis.
Okay, a person who skis. Okay, skier. 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 Okay, the people. Okay, the skiers. Blazed. Okay. No, it's a word.
It's
no.
Blaze.
Okay, it's a verb. Let's see. I think this one. Shoot rapidly. Skiers, blaze. I think I just move quickly. Okay.
move quickly. Yeah.
Mark with a blaze, and that's also okay. Blazed. Okay, to move the here means the skiers just move quickly.
Blaze.
Place.
Blaze. Blaze.
Okay, what's that?
Verb.
Okay,
Ch, ch, ch.
so skiers
Blade. Bladed.
blazed.
Base. Skiers based by with such skis.
Skill.
Skiers.
You have the skill to do something. Skill.
Like
Cannonball. Okay, cannonball move fast. Cannon. Cannon is a big gun. Okay, cannon. Okay, we shoot the cannonball. Just shoot, fly. Yeah, the cannonball. The shoot away. So
so
it fly very quickly, right?
Right.
Cannon.
blaze. Oh,
Blaze.
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 And
Yeah, that's cannon.
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 Cannon. How large? Gun.
Okay, shoot heavy metal. Okay, that's cannon. Okay, they shoot out the ball, fly very quickly. Okay, cannon. Okay,
Like cannonballs. They
whizzed. What's this?
cannon.
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 How large? Gun. Shin.
Whiz.
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 Okay,
To move quickly while making a
buzzing or
or
humming
humming
sound. Okay,
Whiz.
Whiz. The ball whizzed through the air.
okay, whiz.
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 Okay, here means the skill, just like a cannonball. They
Whizzed
whizzed.
past well.
Okay, the go fast, ski fast, past the wheel.
The bolded text show a simile it with complete, rich, complete, compass. Two things using like or as. What is the purpose of this text? It suggests that the other skills
Skiers,
and are
violent.
violent,
Okay, violent.
and dangerous.
Good.
It calls attention to the speed of the
Expert.
expert skills
Skiers.
It points out that bell is
Much.
much better skier than well. It highlights how easy it is to ski on level over
Even.
even the toughest
Toughest. Tough means difficult, hard. Okay. Toughest.
trail.
Okay, don't know which one.
It calls attention to the speed of the expert skiers.
Okay. Describe the expert skiers goes very fast.
Summit.
Okay. Okay, let's do. Okay, that's it.
Once they reached the mountain's peak, peak,
The highest point of the mountain.
peak, well, peered down and gave a
Shake. Okay, peer. Let's learn peer. Peer here is I think look down. Peer. What's that? No. What's this?
Whiz.
Whiz to move quickly while making a buzzing or
Humming.
sound. The ball whizzed through the air.
Okay. No, what is it? Peer.
To appear.
Peer,
Peer.
peer,
Peer.
peer, peer.
Can spell it?
P-E-E-R. Peer.
Okay, it's a verb.
It's a verb to look closely or carefully
Especially
because something or someone is
difficult.
to see.
Okay. Peer down.
Peered down
The wheel. Okay, wheel is a big hole. Can look down it. Okay. Peer down. Okay. Look closely. Look carefully. Okay.
Peer,
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 peer.
peer.
Okay. Okay. Wheel peered.
down and gave a
Okay, I think it should none of this one. Shake. It's kind of. What's that?
peer,
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 peer.
peer.
Okay.
To look closely or carefully.
Shriek,
Seek,
shriek,
seek,
shriek,
seek.
shriek.
Sweet. To make a loud, high
Pitched.
cry.
Okay.
The bird were shrilling
Shrieking.
in the trees.
Okay.
Shriek,
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 shriek.
shriek.
Okay. Can I
S-H-R-I-E-K, shriek.
What's that?
Scream.
Okay. Scream. So Pierre looked down. Pierre looked down and gave a shake. Okay. And we are going to finish it. Okay. We'll stop here.